Hi everyone! Wow, look at this! It's Tayo, the friendly bus. Oh, it looks like this is the Tayo carrier box. Oh, we can see that you can carry the Tayo carrier box with the handle. You can hold it from here. It also has wheels that can... Now, on this side, you can see that the Tayo carrier box comes with two sticker packs. You can use these two sticker packs to peel off the stickers and place them wherever you want on the carrier box. Here it shows the different Tayo toys that you can store inside the Tayo box. Here it shows the steps on how to open the box. You can see that the box here is open and contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can put 12 different Tayo toys in this Tayo carrier box. To open it, you must first turn this knob, and then it allows it to open the compartment. Oh wow, look how cute Tayo is. Okay, let's open it. Come out, Tayo. Look everyone, it's Tayo. He's almost out of his box. Hello Tayo. Let's get you out of this box. Yep. Oh, look. It's the stickers. 2 sticker packs. Oh, that's so cool. Look guys, Tayo is finally out of his box. Hello Tayo. This is the right side, the back side, the left side, and back to his front side. Here you can see the handle which you can use to carry him up like this, and his 4 little wheels that can move, as you can see. Now, let's open him up, shall we? To open this switch, you must first push it to the right side, and then it can unlock the box. So after that, you can now open up the box. Wow, look at this. It's so spacious. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's great. Alright everyone, let's try to put all 12 Tayo toys in the Tayo carrier box. First, let's start with Tayo. Tayo is a blue bus with the number 120. Let's put Tayo right here. Next, we have Lani. Lani is a yellow bus with the number 2. Lani can go right here next to Tayo. The next one, we have Rogi. Rogi is a green bus with the number 1000. Rogi can go right next to Lani. Last one, we have Gani. Gani is a red bus with the number 1339. Gani can go right behind Tayo. Next one is Alice. Alice is a ambulance which can help people who are hurt. The ambulance takes people to the hospital. Let's put Alice right here next to Gani. Next we have Nuri. Nuri is a taxi. A taxi helps people to get to one place, to get from one place to another. We can put Nuri right next to Alice. Next, we have Pat. Pat. Pat is a police car. A police car makes sure that everyone in the city follows the rules. We can put the police car behind Gani. Here we have Bongbong. Bongbong is a family van. A van is a big car that can fit a lot of people. We can put Bongbong next to Pat. Lastly, we have Toto. Toto is a tow truck. A tow truck can help cars that are unable to move. We can put Toto right next to Bongbong. That's all for the toys that fit on this side of the carrier box. Let's move on to the bigger spaces. The bigger spaces can fit these 3 toys. Alright everyone, let's move on to the bigger spaces of the Tayo carrier box. These 3 big spaces can fit these 3 toys. Let's start with this one. This is Big. He is green with a blue container box. Big is a container truck which can help carry things inside his container. Let's put Big in the first slot. Next, we have Max. Max is a green dump truck. A dump truck can store all your garbage in his container. Okay, Max can go right below Big, right in the middle. Last but not least, we have Chris. Chris is an orange cement mixer truck. This part of Chris can be used to mix cement inside while he's on the road. Chris can go right here. Now we can finally close this compartment. We also need to make sure we need to lock it with this knob. To lock it, we can simply turn it like this. Now it stays locked. Secure. Alright guys, it also looks like these 9 spaces have already been filled with each of their toys. We can now close this Tayo carrier box like so. Let's close it up nicely and slowly. All you need to do is just snap like that. Now, Tayo has all of his friends inside and can safely continue his trip. Bye bye, Tayo.